You know, they say that in Hong Kong, you're never more than 3 feet away from a delicious meal and 5 feet away from a skyscraper. And if you're really lucky, you might just find skyscraper made of food. So if you ever find yourself disoriented, just stretch out your hand to touch the towering building next to you or let your olfactory senses guide you. The city is a non-stop carnival, a whirlwind of energy and alluring aromas of dim sum. This metropolis is a buffet of experiences, each one more enticing than the previous. So if you're bracing yourself for a whirlwind adventure full of skyscrapers and delightful food, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to explore the top 5 things to do in Hong Kong. Ever wanted to see a city from above without the hassle of parachuting or being abducted by aliens? Well, Victoria Peak is your answer. It's an unmissable adventure that offers a bird's-eye view of the stunning Hong Kong skyline. Imagine standing atop, with the world bustling below, and the sky stretching endlessly above. It's a sight that transforms from breathtaking during the day to awe-inspiring at night. Now let's add a dash of thrill to this visual feast. The Peak Tram, a funicular railway, ferries you up to summit. It's not just a ride, but an experience that captivates you with its steep climb and panoramic views. Reaching the top, you'll find more than just a viewpoint. There's a shopping complex, a wax museum, and even a trick-eye museum. It's a place where entertainment meets the sky. Remember, they don't call it the Peak for nothing. They say the way to a person's heart is through their stomach. In Hong Kong, they take it literally with their delicious dishes. City is a culinary paradise, a place where you can savor the world on a plate one bite at a time. Dishes, they've got plenty. From the deliciously tender char siu to the delightfully crunchy egg waffles, each plate tells a story of flavors and traditions. And let's not forget about the unique dining experiences. Imagine slurping a bowl of steaming hot wonton noodles in a bustling Dai Pai Dong, or nibbling on dim sum in a traditional tea house. And the best part? These gastronomic gems are scattered all over the city. It's a Michelin-starred restaurant or a humble street stall. The food in Hong Kong will leave you craving for more. So, when in Hong Kong, eat as the Hong Kongers do. Shopping in Hong Kong is like finding a treasure chest on a pirate ship. You never know what you'll unearth. And no, unfortunately Jack Sparrow is not included. The city is a shopaholic's paradise, teeming with bustling markets, luxury malls, and unique local products that you won't find anywhere else. Picture this. You're strolling through the vibrant streets of Mong Kok, where you can snag everything from sneakers to silks. Or perhaps you're more of a high-end fashion enthusiast. In that case, the glittering malls of Central are your runway. But Hong Kong's retail scene isn't just about clothes. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of finding something truly unique. Maybe it's a delicate piece of jade jewelry, a beautifully crafted teapot, or a quirky knickknack that just screams you. In Hong Kong, shopping isn't just a pastime, it's an adventure. So ready your wallets and prepare for some serious retail therapy. Hong Kong is a melting pot of cultures, and what better way to experience it than by immersing yourself in its rich heritage? Just remember, no actual melting is involved. For the history buffs, the city is decked with landmarks that echo stories from the past. Step into the Manmo Temple, where the scent of incense and wisdom fills the air. Or visit the Hong Kong Museum of History, a treasure trove of artifacts that traces the vibrant journey. But the cultural immersion doesn't stop there. Hong Kong's calendar is dotted with local festivals that offer a unique spectacle of tradition and color. The Dragon Boat Festival, with its rhythmic drumbeats and fervor, is a sight behold. The Mid-Autumn Festival, on the other hand, paints the night sky with a multitude of lanterns, symbolizing unity and prosperity. So there you have it, a taste of the authentic Hong Kong experience. In case you've lost count, that's 5 things to do in Hong Kong: Victoria Peak, street food, shopping, historical sites, and local festivals. And if you're really adventurous, you can try doing all 5 at once. Get on top of the world at Victoria Peak, tantalize your taste buds with street food, indulge your shopping desires, explore historical sites, and immerse yourself in local festivals. A whirlwind of experiences that make Hong Kong a must-visit. So what are you waiting for? Hong Kong awaits. That's it for our Hong Kong adventure. We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of the city's highlights. From the stunning views of Victoria Peak, to the vibrant, bustling streets filled with culinary delights and shopping galore, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more travelers like you and continue to create content that you love. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures around the world. We have so many exciting destinations lined up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for joining us on this journey. keep exploring, keep enjoying, and most importantly, keep traveling. Until next time, happy travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next adventure.